In this video, I'm going to show you how to get clicks from Google search engine. This method will help rank your blog post easily. All the clicks are coming from real human and will show in your Google Search Console. On the screen is my website Search Console dashboard. And as you can see, this website already has 37 clicks from Google, so keep watching as you will see how I increased the clicks from 37 to over 100 clicks, and it's all coming from Google search. In the last 3 months, I have just 37 clicks and 53 impressions. And if I scroll down, you will see the keyword that brought the 37 clicks from Google. Now, keep watching as you will see how I get more clicks from Google search, all in this video. Alright, so here's the secret on how you can also get real people from around the world to visit your website through Google search. Visit this website on the screen and click on the social network option and select Google search visitors. Also in the category and service, you can use this particular service to get high quality clicks from Google search, all done by real people. As you can see, the service has 3 different options to choose from. All services are the same but different purposes. All 3 options will have users search for your keyword on Google and then visit your website from Google search. But the first one is just for getting clicks from Google search, while the second one will make visitors to visit up to 2 other pages on your website. And the last one will make visitors visit up to 4 other pages on your website. Please make sure you read the service description and follow all the steps in the video. Here is where you enter your keywords and website URL, then click on the Create button and copy the link. Go back to the panel and enter the link inside the link option in the panel. As you can see, the clicks went from 37 clicks to 111 clicks. And if you take a look at the keyword that users use to find my website, you will see it's the same keyword I use when I place order. Google is still updating and more clicks are still coming in. Now, here is the amazing part. This same service that was being sold at $8 here is being sold at $200 to $300 on other websites. And the difference is this website uses real people from different parts of the world, while the other sites use bots or CTR manipulation bots. You can do your research and compare this service and other website services.